In this video, I will show you how to know if your order in Xianyu has been fully delivered without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up your Xianyu Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this profile icon right here. Then from here, you can easily track any goods you paid for to be sure the product has been successfully delivered to your address in China from this particular dashboard right here. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to check out all the products you have ordered for in Xianyu. Everything is going to be found right here. You can see I've ordered different kind of products from my Xianyu account right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and track a particular order that you want to be sure if the order has been successfully delivered. So I'm going to use this particular order as an example. So for that, I'm going to click on the product link right here. Just like so. And the next thing we want to do right here is to simply click on here to proceed. Allow everything to load up. So here we go. Then everything is going to be shown right here. But wanting to signify that the order has been successfully delivered to your address in China is this particular icon right here. Immediately you see this, it simply means that the order has been fully delivered. So the next action you need to take is to simply come to the tracking number right here, copy the tracking number and track the order with your logistics company or your freight forwarder and make sure you do a proper confirmation with them. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to source, ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.